Why do I need an injury attorney?
When someone's involved in an accident, whether it's a car accident or a fall down, quite often, shortly after the accident, they're contacted by a representative of the insurance company. That person is called an insurance adjuster. Make no mistake about it, that person is not your friend. Their job is to adjust your claim or settle your claim as soon as possible for the least amount of money and have you sign a release over to them so that you can never sue them or their insured ever again. But it's important to know that you may be giving up valuable rights because quite often the injuries don't necessarily manifest themselves or don't become obvious for several weeks or months after an accident. Many times these injuries are permanent. In fact, a minor injury to a knee could one day develop into a knee replacement situation. So my advice is don't rush into a settlement. And if you're given an offer from an insurance company, it's probably a good idea to speak with a qualified personal injury lawyer first. That lawyer will tell you if you're doing okay on it. That lawyer will tell you what rights you're giving up. That lawyer may be able to tell you how much insurance would be available. And that lawyer will tell you what parts of your injuries are already covered by your own insurance. So it's important that you do in fact speak with somebody that knows something about that. That's a lawyer, and it's a lawyer that specifically practices in the area of personal injury.